Debra Chinkasu.
Catherine Bechito.
Oh my God, look at you perspiring. Not menopausing, right? Come.
I'm not used to coming to HDB estates lah. Wow, look at your new place. You actually have pretty good taste, huh?
Nice, right?
Yeah, nicer than your old place lah. That one, the design really CMI. I didn't dare to tell you at that time because you pay a lot of money to that designer, right?
No lah, darling. I didn't pay that much, but maybe more than what you would pay lah, because you always like to ask for free things, ma. Come, let me show you around.
No need lah, dear. Your house not that big, what? I can see everything already.
But you are layman, ma. Maybe you can get some inspiration for your home. You did your renovation so long ago. The design, passé already lah.
Catherine Bechito, you are really my BFF, you know. I remember I only invited you one time to my house 8 years ago. You can still remember my home decor. So sweet lah, you girl.
Oh no lah, darling. It's because you always post on Facebook, ma. Anyway, do you like my theme?
Oh, I like it. It's kampong style, right?
Actually, it's farmhouse.
Same lah. Farmhouse is more kampong, what? It's nice.
To put a spin on the countryside feel, my interior designer placed this magnificent ceiling-to-floor picture of a farmland.
Wow. Hey, actually you do look like a farmer, you know. Your designer quite good, huh? Which farm is he from?
Starry Homestead, they are very good, a Case Trust credited company. Oh, but you probably won't know about such things lah.
Yeah lah, I won't know because my Philip handles everything for me. Unlike you, so poor thing. Got to do everything yourself. You're still working as a sales girl, right?
Regional sales manager.
Yeah lah, I can imagine. Renovation is hell. Especially for a single working girl like yourself. Got to choose tiles lah, got to handle contractor lah. Headache, right?
No lah, Debra Chinkasu. Actually, it was quite hassle-free. My interior designer understood all my needs and was very efficient. Or maybe I'm just not so intim like you lah.
No lah, darling. My house is much bigger, you know. It's landed property. Very troublesome to renovate. You won't know lah, but I have a wet kitchen, I have a dry kitchen, I have 6 bathrooms. How many bathrooms you have here?
Darling, Starry Homestead has done a lot more landed properties which are way bigger than your home. You should try them.
Catherine Bechito, tell me the truth. Are you getting a commission for all these referrals?
Oh no lah, darling. I'm just trying to help my BFF change her dated house into a beautiful home so that you can get more likes on Facebook, ma.
Aiya, you are so sweet lah, girl. What would I do without BFFs like you?
You're welcome. Cheers.
Yes. Ayo, what champagne is this? You just opened from your CNY hamper one, is it?